Hi, this is Rob Hatch with the Digital Elevator, and today I'm going to show you how to move blogs from one WordPress site to another. We were moving our clients to a new server, and before the client had time to inspect the site, a few more blogs had been written on their current website. As you can see, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 blogs that needed to be moved. The new site, those blogs are missing. The first thing that needs to be done when moving blogs over to a new WordPress site is to go back into the dashboard of WordPress. Once in the dashboard, you're going to scroll down to the Tools section and go to Export. You're going to notice in Export that there's a lot of different things that you can do. You can actually export the entire content or all the content of the website, as well as posts, particular pages, or even templates that you might have built inside Visual Composer or Thrive Lightboxes. But for now, we're just going to concentrate on posts. Inside posts, you can choose the category of post, the different authors, start date, or the status. Because we're only missing 4 blogs, we're just going to do the last 4 blogs, which was October 2017 through current January 2018. Once you've chosen what to export, then you'll download that export file to your downloads folder or wherever you've designated your downloads to go. The next thing you'll need to do after you've exported all of your blogs is go to the new site, and again we're going back to the dashboard. You will go down to the Tools section again, and this time we're going to import. You will see a number of different plugins inside the Import tab, but what we're going to concentrate on and use is the Run Importer tool. After you click the Importer tool, it's going to ask you to choose a file. We're going to choose the file, the XML file that was downloaded, and then upload file and import. It's going to ask a few questions. The main question is, who do you want the author of the blogs that you're importing over to be? I'm going to select the author, and then also, importantly, download and import file attachments, and then submit. All done, have fun, says WordPress. So let's go look and see if those blogs have transferred over. The blogs have transferred over, but you'll notice that the main images have not transferred over yet. Because the blog images didn't get ported over for some reason, what I had to do was go to the original site and download the images that I needed. For example, I just right-clicked on the image and downloaded or saved the image to my downloads folder. Then imported those over to my new WordPress site. So what I'm going to do here is go into this blog. I'm going to edit the post, and I'm going to choose my featured image. That featured image should look like this: 5 things project managers need to know about Agile methodology. I'm going to set my featured image. I'm going to update. I'm going to go back to my site, go to my blog, and boom, there it is. You'll just need to repeat that step for each blog, and I've done that already. So as you can see, now all of my blog images, my featured images, have moved over. Just going to check in an individual blog to make sure that it's all updated. So as I look in here, it looks like if the images have moved over properly. So that's this video for today. Listen, if you guys have a need for SEO, content marketing, or a new website, just give us a call at the Digital Elevator. Bye-bye.